Good morning, everyone. I know it's been a while since I did a video, so decided to do the Distillery District. It's really early morning. Today is November 10th. And pretty soon, it's going to be the Christmas market at the Distillery District. Runs from November 16th to December 31st. So you get a lot of vendors selling Christmas stuff, Christmas foods and everything here. So I love this place here. It's so, well, old, but it's been preserved. Used to be an old distillery, hence the name Distillery District. There's a lot of unique shops and galleries, as you can see here. It's just so very unique. And a lot of art installations as well. You can see up ahead here that's the Call of the War of the Worlds sculpture. It's like that big giant spider. So Christmas market's been presented by Dior. There's a big Dior tree. We'll see that in a few minutes. See a lot of the stalls here. So they're just all preparing for the market in 6 days. Over here, there's a sake brewery. I think that's the only one in Toronto. I'm not sure if it's the only one that's in Ontario. So this is the Dior tree. So it looks like they're just putting up the decorations there. Usually they have a stage for performers, singers and bands. This white building here, that's the oldest building from what I understand. I think it's in the 1700s. Most of the buildings here are in the 1800s. So Gooderham and Warts Limited. Mini pancakes. So the countdown sign, countdown to Christmas, 46 days. Pretzels. Oh, that's new. That used to be a men's store. Now it's in Italy. I gotta check that out when it's open. Another distillery, I guess. Visit Florida. I wish. What's this? A tailor-made Christmas. Not sure what that is, but 13th to the 24th. The thing about what I like about the Distillery District, it has kept all its old buildings, whereas Toronto has been notorious for not keeping all the buildings. They always tore them down. And even right now, if they want to conserve a building, what they do, they just preserve the front, the facade of the building, and then they tear down the actual building. It's kind of sad, but I guess necessary. But I just wish they kept more of these buildings. So a lot more stalls here. It gets packed during the Christmas market. Oh my gosh. But it's really nice. You have some carolers singing as well. I have a friend that actually is part of them. I think they're called the Candy Cane Carolers. Specialty food. See all these different stores. This one's Sport Gallery, so all types of sports memorabilia. I can't say it. Memorabilia and clothing. This one here, El Catrin Distillery. It's amazing Mexican food. Pure Spirits, Oyster House, and Mill Street Pub. Lots of distilleries here, and these guys, well, brew beer. Going through here, I wish I could go, because there's some really cool old equipment that they used for brewing all the spirits. So a lot of history there in this place, and I love how they actually preserved everything. This is a cool store here, Virgo Industrial Design, lots of unique gifts. And yeah, chocolate maker, they actually do demonstrations to how to make chocolate and everything. So you can see that they are putting up the decorations. That one says family. There's one that's joy, love. There's a few other ones. Eiffel Tower. Here, the Young Center for Performing Arts. So it's a theater for performances, I guess. This is, I think, a restaurant now, but that used to be like selling old antiques and stuff. Let's see. Showtimes. They have a menu, but it doesn't say what performances are on right now. And usually they have a sign here that tells us when the performances are. Yes, I gotta make sure that I'm actually showing the buildings, not just the cobblestones. Oh, wrong way. So there's actually residences here, these buildings. Let's see, it looks nothing like the area. I wish they were able to incorporate the aesthetics for it. Some more stalls. Oh. So in case you're wondering, the camera I'm using now is a Insta360 Go 3S. Smallest camera available retail. It's been pretty cool. I also have a GoPro. I use it mostly for when I'm on drives and stuff. So you can see a lot more of the decorations. This shed or canopy was not here before, but it's been months since I was last year. Now this building here used to be amazing because it was for artists. They had their little stalls or rooms or shops, and where they create their art and also sell their art. Unfortunately, they closed that off, and now this is mostly a French school. Looks like they have some retail here as well. Pepper Palace, jewelry and stuff. Oh. Okay, let's go down here. Off in the distance, you can see condo building being built. There's always construction here in Toronto. This building here is actually a pretty cool coffee house. A lot more of these stalls that was not here last time. Here's the Christian Dior tree again. This one I call the egg beater. So kind of over the top, but looks like an egg beater for me. So Balzac's Coffee, really cool coffee shop. I'm not sure if it's open right now though. More of the stores. So that's about it here. I'll just end the video here. Looking at this tree. Can't wait till it's lighted up and it's all finished. So guys, again, Distillery District, the Christmas market is running from November 16th to December 31st. So in Toronto here, if you want to come down and have a look, a very unique area in Toronto. Okay, thank you guys. And until the next video, see you then, and peace.